Hello guys, it's Martin here from Blackpool Automart. A little bit windy here today, so I'm sorry in advance if you get quite a bit of blowback from the microphone. I'll try and shield it the best I can. But you can see by the flag there that it's very breezy and blowy here in a minute. Anyway, I'll crack on and get around the car and try and get in the car as quick as I can. Anyway, we've got a 67 plate Corsa SRI petrol here. It's a manual, it's just into stock. It came into stock from our Seat dealers next door to us, just there. That's our Honda bikes, so I might as well show you around actually while I'm here. That's our Honda bikes just there. Our body shops over there, our workshops, valet bays, and there's our flagship Honda dealership where we get 90% of our part exchanges from. We get a couple from bikes and we get some from our Seat dealer. We don't go out and buy our cars from auctions like a lot of dealers do. Cars are in auctions usually for a reason. So ours are genuine part exchanges that come in. If they're not up to our certain standards, they get sent to auction. Anyway, back to the car. It's a lovely little SRI. It's got the lovely black gloss coloured wheels. It's literally been in stock a day, this car. We've just washed it and tyre blacked it. It's going to get serviced. It's going to get MOT'd by our Honda technicians across the road. It's a little two-door Corsa. Great news these. We do really well with little Corsas. They're good for a first car. It's a 67 plate, so what is it, 4 years old now? Wow, 67 plate, 4 years old. I remember when they came out. It's a little petrol one, so it'll be great on oh, a little dent there. I spotted something. The reason for these videos is to check stuff, and can you see that little dent there? A tiny little dent. We'll get that sorted. We have a dent man that'll come out here and sort that out. All the alloys look very good condition. I just need to get out of this wind, to be honest with you. Just while I'm out here, I'll talk to you about no, I'll get in the car I think, because it's getting very windy here and you might not hear me. I'll just get inside the car. At least you'll hear me a little bit better. I can't tell what you're hearing, you see. Right, we're in the car. Ooh, mileage, very important. 16,176 miles. I hope you can hear me now. I'll start the car up. Comes with 2 keys and great history. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's also got a touch button screen. It's got DAB, which is fantastic, as you can see. I'll turn the aircon off because it's quite cold that. So it's got aircon, it's got city steer as well, that little button there. That means the steering wheel goes super light when you want to park it up in a tight spot. Well, you obviously won't put that on the motorway, but that's what city steer's for. I think Fiat's have it as well, to be honest. It also has cruise control, which most Corsas do have. That's on the steering wheel, and then you've got your telephone answering on that side. It's obviously got Bluetooth as well, so you can stream your music across to the car. It's got a USB port down there and a 12 volt, which is handy to have for charging your phone. A couple of cup holders, and just a nice car. It's got a lovely finish on the steering wheel and nice shiny what they call piano black fascias across the dashboard. That's a nice touch, and then you've got the red edge into it as well. That looks really good. It goes in correspondence with the stitching around the steering wheel, the red stitching, and the red stitching around the seats of the car. Even got a set of Corsa mats in it, which is good. So it's ready to go, and it's an ideal car this for a first time young driver, because I do know the insurance group on these are very low. The tax is quite low on them as well. Being a 67, it's probably 155. Everything went to 155 after 2017 and younger. Gone are the days of the £30 tax. You probably get it on a car pre-2017, but anything after 2017 changed. Electric mirrors there, your little joypad there that can move the mirrors. Obviously electric windows in the front. It is running at the moment. It's lovely and quiet. 16,000 miles on a 4-year-old car. Wow, that's not a lot, is it? 2, 4, 6, 8. What's it done? 3,000 miles a year? 3.5, 4. It's not even done that. So super low miles. I was going to tell you about this outside, but with the wind, I'll mention it inside. Like I said to you outside, we do a delivery service. It's free of charge. UK mainland only. We've been doing it for quite some time now because of the pandemic that we recently had. All we were doing were, because our dealerships, our all 16 dealerships were closed, we just still offered our online services, and you'd be surprised how many people used the delivery service. They didn't come and look at the car. We guaranteed that if the car wasn't right when they received it, they could reject the car, which nobody did, to be honest. In all the time that we did it, we did hundreds all over the country. You can look at our reviews on coxmotorgroup.com if you want to check our reviews out. There's hundreds and hundreds of very satisfied customers, and I must admit we must deliver 70%, 60% of our cars without people coming down and viewing them. So that's a good record. That it shows that we do things right. And the reason for these videos is that it's to show people any issues with the car. It's to be as transparent as we can with people. We're not the typical garage that has its name, you know, the used car salesman. They got a bad name, but we try to be transparent. We're trying to change it. We're doing videos. We've been doing videos for years. A lot of garages have just started doing it, but we've been doing it for a long time. So we know, you know, we try and make it out as if you're walking around the car. We're in your shoes, walking around and looking at the car. And like I said, if you want to reserve this car, you can go onto our website at coxmotorgroup.com, or you can ring us and just leave a £100 deposit. That's all we require to take a car off sale. It's the only Corsa we have, so it's not as if I can say, oh, that one's sold, here's another 5 you can choose from. It's the only one. It is, like I say, subject to you viewing the vehicle or having a personalised video sent to you, or if you're local coming down and driving the car. If you're not happy with the car for any reason whatsoever, the deposit is automatically refunded to you. So we can't be fairer than that. We honestly can't. Some people are fine with it, some people aren't. We get it, we understand, but it's the way of the world. It's gone a bit like Amazon, hasn't it? You know, you click a button and a few days later it turns up at your house. It's going like that with cars now, to be quite honest with everyone. It is going like that with cars. Click a button and we will deliver it to your house or your place of work within a few days. Anyway, that's enough about the company. Oh, sorry, we have 16 dealerships. We've got quite a few Honda dealers. You can see I showed you them outside. There's our Honda Bikes dealer next door to us. But we've got 5 Honda dealers, 4 Seat dealers. We've got a Volkswagen dealer in Lancaster. We've got a Mitsubishi dealership in Morecambe. We've got places at Southport, Wigan, Kendal. Obviously here at Blackpool we've got a Honda dealer and a Volkswagen dealer over at Lancaster. So we're not a huge company. We are a privately owned company. Cox Motor Group is our company name. David Cox is the managing director. So we're family owned, which is good. We like to be as personalised and pleasant as we can to our customers, and the only trouble when you buy things off these corporate companies, you tend to be just another number. But we try to be as professional and personal as we can with our customers, and it does work. If you just check our reviews, like I said to you earlier, you'll see hundreds of people do appreciate the hard work we put in, and we do try to make it a pleasant experience, because I do understand that buying a car can be a little bit nervy, can be a little bit stressful. I get that, I understand that. Anyway, we'll do our best to keep that away from you. So there you go, that's the 2017, late 2017 Corsa SRI 3-door in like a pearl black with its black wheels. Lovely low miles, great service history, 2 keys. It's going to get serviced and it's going to get MOT'd here before it leaves, so you'll have 12 months of trouble-free motoring. If you want to purchase an extended warranty, you can do. Just give us a call and we can give you all the numbers. The car does come with a very small warranty with it, but you can increase that with a small cost for 1 year or 2 years. It's entirely up to you. We do offer the 2 other products as well, which is the Super Guard paint and fabric protector, and we also offer gap insurance, the one that if the car is written off or stolen over a 3-year period, you will get the full money back that you paid for the car, not what the car's valued at the time of the incident. Anyway, there you go. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely car today. I'm the sales manager here at Blackpool Automart. If you want any more pictures, any more videos, personalised video I can send to your phone if you want to look at something specific on the car, like the sun visor. Somebody asked me to take a picture of the sun visor the other day, which was a bit bizarre. Or inside the boot, or underneath the car, or the engine compartment. Please let me know, we can do that for you. We're open 7 days a week, slightly less on a Sunday. It's 11:30 till 4 on a Sunday, but during the week it's till 6. 01253 600 900. I think it's option 4 Automart. Give us a call if you want any more information. And there you go. Thanks for viewing my video today. Hopefully we'll hear from you in the not too distant future. Thanks guys, speak soon, look after yourselves and take care. Bye for now.